In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get TripAdvisor affiliate link. If you create travel content and want to monetize your recommendations, the TripAdvisor affiliate program lets you earn when your audience clicks through your referral link and interacts with TripAdvisor, especially when they click out to a hotel booking partner. Here's how to get set up from start to finish. First, join the program through a major affiliate network. TripAdvisor typically runs its affiliate offer on platforms like CJ Affiliate and Travel Payouts. Start by opening a publisher account on one of these networks, then log into your dashboard. Use the search bar to find TripAdvisor, open the program listing, and submit your application. Some networks review these manually, so approval can take a little time. Keep your profile complete and clearly describe your audience and traffic sources to improve your chances. A quick note on availability. The offer isn't visible in every country. If you don't see TripAdvisor in your network dashboard, try the other network or check whether your region is currently supported before you spend time troubleshooting. Once you're approved, it's time to generate your affiliate link. Inside the network dashboard, look for the link or deep link tools. These let you paste any TripAdvisor page URL like a specific hotel, attraction, or guide, and instantly create a unique, trackable link tied to your account. Many networks also provide pre-built widgets and banners that automatically include your affiliate ID, which can save setup time and ensure proper tracking. When possible, deep link to the exact page you're recommending, since that improves relevance and click-through rates. Now place and track your links. Add them to your website articles, destination guides, email newsletters, or social posts. Your earnings come when someone clicks your link to TripAdvisor and then clicks out to a hotel booking partner from there. Affiliates commonly receive around half of the commission. TripAdvisor earns on qualifying hotel clickouts, and the tracking window is often 14 days. Always disclose affiliate relationships to your audience, test links on desktop and mobile, and keep an eye on your reporting in the network dashboard so you can double down on pages that convert best. That's the process. Join through a supported network, generate deep links, then place and track them. Follow these steps, keep your content helpful and specific, and you'll be ready to monetize your TripAdvisor recommendations.